Welcome to Vansdirect. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Ford Transit Connect. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we've got the signature Ford badge situated in the middle of the grille. This particular vehicle has got the sport kit fitted to it to give it that extra little bit of edge of design, and the stripes going up the bonnet as well. We've got halogen headlights with halogen daytime running lights and left and right fog lights at the bottom too. Along the side of the vehicle, we notice the 17-inch two-tone diamond cut wheels fitted with economical Goodyear tyres. Electrically adjustable heated door mirrors are on each side of the vehicle. Low-level bumper just there to protect against low-level bumps and scrapes. Little dimple here in the door shows that this vehicle has keyless entry and keyless start as well. And then a nice easy side loading door along the side, giving you access to the spacious load compartment too. The load-through feature on this Connect couldn't be any simpler. You simply pull the red toggle on the seat to lower it down, and then moving into the load compartment, you lift up the panel, which connects to the magnet just up here, making the space easy for any longer items. It saves all that fiddling around. On the rear of the Connect, the sport styling continues with a low-level bumper. Rear sensors are fitted to the bumper here and also a rear reverse camera. We've got stripes going up the barn doors leading up to a high visibility, high level brake light. And the doors open up into a spacious load area, allowing you plenty of space to load things through. They also have the option to open at 180 degrees with a simple push of a button, giving you even more room to load things through. Inside the Connect, there's 2.1 metres from the bulkhead to the barn doors, giving you plenty of room for load space. Inside the Connect, we've got the dual passenger bench seat. One of the seats actually pulls down into a armrest and cup holder. Also an area, a little workstation where you can put files and paperwork and things like that and secure them when you're driving around. On the dashboard then, we've got the Sync 4-inch touchscreen system containing all your audio, phone, navigation and app settings. Below that, we've got more manual controls for the radio, volume and tuning. Below that again, we've got all your controls for your heating, cooling and fans. Eco mode, traction control and your start-stop buttons are all nicely below that as well. You've also got just above that your controls for your heated seats and heated windscreen, especially for those cold winter days. Moving downwards, we've got our automatic gear stick, push button start just to the left hand side of the steering wheel, and then a multi-function steering wheel full of controls for your lights, wipers, cruise control, speed limiter, and also your system settings for the dials there too. It was really hard to narrow down the three things that we love most on the Transit Connect, but the three things we just had to pick out are the heated windscreen, the file and cup holder in the middle of the driver's cabin, and also the automatic air conditioning system. If you'd like any more information on this van or other vans in the Ford range, log on to vansdirect.co.uk.